Bicycle hubs play a vital role when it comes to the smoothness and rolling. However, if your bearings feel rough, then it's time to service them. This usually happens over time by the ingress of water and grime. Also, if your wheel bearings wear out, it will introduce play to the hub, allowing the wheel to rock side to side on its axle. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to reset them. Let's get started. Start by removing the quick release and set it aside. Once you have removed the quick release, ensure to count the number of threads on either sides. Only then start undoing the lock nut. Hold the cone with the help of the cone tool and turn the lock nut on the outside with the wrench. Before you start removing the lock nut, spacer and cone, ensure to remember the order. This way, putting it back will be much easier. After you are done undoing, remove the axle and keep the parts aside in the same order. Now with the help of a magnet, remove the bearings from each side and keep. Also, some hubs might have a dust cap fitted and removing them might be a challenge. So try and work around them as they are fragile. Also, don't forget to count the number of ball bearings on either side while removing. Wipe and clean the parts from the inside. You can use a degreaser to clean before re-greasing and reinstalling new ball bearings. After you have cleaned the insides of the cup, with the help of a pen or any pointy object, examine for roughness inside. If the ball point end feels rough while moving it around, it means you need to change the hub completely. If they are smooth, simply re-grease and reinstall new ball bearings. Now start filling the cup with fresh grease. Fill the well completely to the brim. Follow this up by adding fresh ball bearings and ensure they are seated flat in the cup. The front hub usually has 10 ball bearings of 3/16" diameter per side, while the rear usually has 9 ball bearings of 1/4" diameter per side. Ensure the newly inserted bearings are submerged completely in grease. Once you're done installing the ball bearings, reinsert the axle, cone, spacer and the lock nut in the same orientation and tighten with your hand completely. After you have tightened it completely, the wheel will surely not move in a free flow. Hence it needs to be adjusted so there is no play and the wheel moves freely. To do so, hold the lock nut with the wrench to prevent it from moving. With the help of a cone wrench, loosen cone by turning cone wrench counterclockwise about 1/4 or 90 degrees. Now hold the cone from moving with the wrench and tighten the lock nut. Lock nut must be fully tightened before play can be checked. Test for play by holding the axle and moving the rim laterally. If you are not happy with the results, tighten the cone again and readjust accordingly. Just ensure the wheels move freely and there is no play.